Nyanja or Chinyanja. In this episode, we're going to talk about positions in Nyanja. Kumwamba means up. Pansi means down. Pamwamba on top. Munyansi under. Kumbali to the side or next to. Mukati in or inside. Panja out or outside. Kusogolo front or forward. Kumbuyo back or backwards. Pakati in or in between. Examples: Kanyoni kambululuka kumwamba. A bird is flying up or in the sky. Nkalapansi, sit down. Foni ili pamwamba ya friji. The phone is on top of the fridge. Foni ili munyansi ya table. The phone is on top of the table. The phone is under the table. Foni ili kumbali ya friji. The phone is next to the fridge. Yenda panja, go out or go outside. Ilimukati, it is inside. Imbwa ili kusogolo kwa motoka. The dog is in front of the car. Nilikumbuyo ya nyumba. I am behind the house. Naimilila pakati ya manyumba abili. I am standing between two houses.